Hey John, how's it going? My name is Eddie with Topeka SEO and Web Design. I wanted to make this video because Tina, your office secretary, told me that it would be a great idea to go ahead and send this information over to you. And I just wanted to share 3 tips and tricks on how these simple strategies can basically guarantee better search engine results if you apply them today. So without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, today I just want to make sure that we go ahead and cover 3 important topics when it comes down to your website, and that will be content, backlinks, and citations. John, let me be just real honest when I tell you, these 3 components combined together, if done properly, will allow you to dominate the search engines for specific keywords that you guys want to target, therefore getting you more business, more leads in the door, and having your phone ringing off the hook. So let's get started with number 1, content. When I look over your website, I noticed that you guys have, first and foremost, a pretty nice looking website. However, Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words of content throughout the home page, and anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on that home page. Doing this will allow you guys to be found for more targeted specific keywords, because Google loves to see a lot of content to basically show Google that you guys are a high authority website. Now, I do see that you guys have a video here and some reviews, which is really awesome. So good job there. I also notice you guys have a click to call button here to go directly to a line where leads can contact you guys. So that's awesome. So on your homepage, I would definitely add some more content, because right now you guys are currently sitting at about 700 words of content on your homepage. And again, like I said, you want to get to anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content on your homepage. The next thing you guys want to do, John, is definitely consider adding more content on your service pages, so that you guys can definitely rank higher on the Google results as well. Because right now, again, you guys are only sitting between maybe 300 to 500 words, somewhere around there, of content on your service pages, and I would definitely add anywhere between 700 and 1,000 words of content throughout each and every single one of these service pages. Okay, so we went ahead and talked about the number 1 thing, which was content. All right, so adding more content to your website is definitely key if you want to increase your search results and basically beat out some of your competition. When I look at some of your competitors out here, you have AdMay.com, AdMay Plumbing. As you can see here, they don't have too much content. However, what they do have is backlinks. Now, backlinks is what I want to talk about now in this second part of this video. Which is a very, very important factor when it comes to ranking your website on the front page of Google. So what are backlinks? Basically, backlinks are other websites related to plumbing that link back to your website, letting Google know that you are a high authority in that niche. See, the way Google works, John, is Google works kind of like a popularity contest. Google only ranks websites that are known as popular, relevant websites to specific search terms that are currently being searched for each and every single month. So if you have multiple websites related to home services like plumbing that are linking back to your website, then the chances of you ranking higher in the search engines are extremely likely, because you're letting Google know that you're a relevant authority in that niche. But if you have websites that are not related to plumbing, let's say, for example, a Pizza Hut or a Starbucks, or just different websites that are not relevant to plumbing at all whatsoever, Google can penalize you for that, therefore decreasing your search results and lowering the amount of traffic that you're receiving on a monthly basis. Here is a tool that I use to basically analyze any data or information on any website for any business owner in the country. This tool is called Ahrefs.com. You basically pay $400 a month for this service, when it allows me to see basically everything that I need to know about your website. So as you can see here, these are 2 important numbers. What you see here is UR and DR. UR is basically the amount of power that your website has to rank higher on Google, and DR is the amount of trust that you have with Google. And as you can see, your DR flow is pretty low. You're looking at about 3.2, which means you don't have too much trust with Google. And that has a lot to do with the kind of backlinks or websites that are linking back to your website to let Google know you are a high authority. So what does that mean? Let's take a look at your competitor out here. As you can see, your competitor, avmade.com, they have a 40 UR and a 28 DR. That means that the type of links that they're getting directing back to their website have more trust in Google's eyes. Therefore, they're getting found for more keywords and more traffic. So as you can see here, they're getting 7.3 thousand visitors a month, and you guys are only currently getting 472 visitors a month. So now that we talked about some of those backlinks, if you guys, again, if you want to rank higher in the search engines, I would highly encourage you guys to check out the type of backlinks that you guys are currently linking back to on your website, and make sure you guys are adding quality backlinks. All right, that's extremely important if you want to beat out your competitor out here on Google and start to take some of this traffic. Now, if we look at some of the keywords that you guys are currently being found for, let's take a quick look. As you guys can see, you guys have a lot of generic keywords that you guys are kind of being found for, number one for. So you're getting, let's say, 37 visitors for calcium buildup in drain pipes. But as you can tell, some of these keywords are not local targeted keywords. See, what you really want, if you want to get more business in the Kansas City area, is you want keywords like this one. For example, Plumber Kansas City, Missouri, which is currently getting 200 searches a month, and you guys are currently getting 9 visitors a month for that. But you guys are on the 8th position for this search term, and you're also dropping. As you can see here, you used to be on the 6th position, now you're dropping. And this could have a lot to do with the fact that some of your guys' backlinks are not high quality backlinks as well. But again, kind of scrolling down, I'm trying to find some more keywords here. You have one for Plumber Kansas City, Kansas. Has 150 searches a month, and you guys are only getting 4 visitors a month for that because you're on the 10th page, a 10th spot of Google, which is close to the 2nd page as well. So what I would do is I would definitely add some more local targeted keywords to increase the amount of traffic that you guys are being found for. For example, drain cleaning Kansas City. As you can tell, you're on the 8th position here, all right, and you're only getting about 2 visits a month for that. And these numbers can definitely improve if you guys begin to get some more backlinks, like I said. Now, last but not least, John, what I want to discuss here is basically getting ranked on the front page of Google for keywords such as Kansas City plumbing. As you can see here, the #1 guy right now on the organic search results here is avmade.com. See, we have your paid ads here, right? Bob Hamilton, they're paying for ads here. You have what we like to call your map pack, which you guys should definitely be in here because you could be getting about 50 to 70% traffic from here. And then you got your organic searches. Now, again, to get in the organic, found in the organic searches here, you're going to have to definitely increase, like I said, your backlinks. But most importantly, to be found here, we want to definitely increase your citations. Now, what are citations? To pretty much explain it very quickly, citations are basically directories that you can be listed on under all over the World Wide Web. For example, Bing, Yelp, Merchant Circle, Switchboard, Yellow Book, Yellow Pages, you name it. So any of these directories where it requires you to list your name, your business name, your address, and your phone number, all of these directories definitely will help you increase your search results when being found on Google. However, not all citations, not all directories are created equal. Same like backlinks, you want high quality directories letting Google know that you are a legitimate business. Now, here is a service that I pay anywhere between $30 and $60 a month for. It allows me to check out any businesses that are currently being listed for specific citations, or should I say directories. And when I look at your competitor here, AvMade Heating and Cooling, they only have 6 citations, okay? But you, however, have about 32. But again, not all citations are created equal. For some reason, the 6 that they have currently linking back to their website are actually being recognized from Google with higher quality. So if you guys want to be found, what we can do is we can come in here, John, and we can take some of these links that they're currently being listed under, and we can also submit your business in some of these directories so that you can get some of this juice, some of this power, and also get found on Google. Because again, when I look at your guys' citations, you have 32, so good job there, but you may not be getting as much quality. So the type of citations you guys have, you have YouTube, Facebook, Yelp. But if we go in here and add the Better Business Bureau or some of those other high quality citations or directories, Google is going to definitely find you find you as a more relevant website, and they're going to rank you higher in the search results. So hopefully, John, this information you found useful. If for whatever reason you have any questions at all whatsoever, please feel free to send me an email or shoot me a call. I would definitely love to see how I can help you guys. However, if you decide to do this yourself, you are more than welcome. If you implement any of these strategies that I discussed with you guys today, I guarantee you will begin to see better results. But if you want to hire a professional that can get this done for you guys and do it the right way the first time, then I would suggest that you contact me. I would love to schedule a call and answer any questions you guys may have, and that way we can take care of this issue and handle it all the right way. So with that being said, have a great day, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Goodbye.